Welcome to our summary of the 5 Languages of Appreciation in the Workplace by Gary Chapman. This book revolves around a simple but powerful idea. Everyone wants to feel valued and appreciated at work. When people don't feel appreciated, it can lead to issues like low morale, reduced engagement, and higher employee turnover. These challenges hurt productivity and cost companies significantly. That's why creating a supportive work environment is so important. The book introduces a personalized approach to showing appreciation, using the concept of the 5 love languages. Just like in personal relationships, people in the workplace have different ways they prefer to receive appreciation, whether it's through kind words, spending quality time, helping with tasks, thoughtful gifts, or simple gestures like a handshake or a pat on the back. The key idea is that appreciation is not one size fits all. To ensure your team feels truly recognized, it's essential to tailor your approach to each individual's preferences. When done right, this method not only makes employees feel valued, but also leads to a more motivated and productive team. It can shift the entire atmosphere at work, making appreciation more meaningful and impactful. The book goes on to explain each of the 5 languages of appreciation in detail. 1. Words of affirmation. This involves using kind and sincere words to express praise or gratitude. For people who value this, hearing specific and heartfelt compliments can significantly boost their morale. Whether it's a one-on-one conversation, public recognition, or a written note, genuine praise strengthens relationships. However, insincere praise can have the opposite effect, damaging trust rather than building it. 2. Quality time. This means giving someone your full, undivided attention. It includes listening attentively, sharing experiences, or collaborating closely on projects. The book acknowledges how hard it can be to find time for this in a busy workplace, but offers practical tips to make it work. The focus should be on being present and genuinely engaged during interactions. 3. Acts of service. Helping colleagues in meaningful, practical ways, like assisting with a task or offering support, can show appreciation for those who value action. The key is to be thoughtful and ensure the help is actually wanted and useful. These acts strengthen teamwork and foster a spirit of collaboration. 4. Tangible gifts. Physical gifts, big or small, can communicate appreciation as long as they're personal and thoughtful. It's not about the price tag, but the intention behind the gift. However, the book warns that if gifts feel obligatory or impersonal, they can backfire and feel more like a duty than a heartfelt thank you. 5. Physical touch. Appropriate gestures like a handshake, a pat on the back, or a high five can express encouragement and connection. But this must be handled with cultural awareness and respect for personal boundaries to avoid discomfort. The book also introduces a tool called the Motivating by Appreciation (MBA) inventory, which helps identify how individuals prefer to be appreciated. This can be especially helpful for managers and team leaders aiming to boost morale in a thoughtful and effective way. It also highlights the difference between recognition and appreciation. Recognition often focuses on achievements, awards, or hitting targets, and while important, it can feel impersonal. Appreciation, on the other hand, focuses on the person and their unique contributions. It's about gratitude for who they are and what they bring to the team, not just what they accomplish. Still, applying these ideas consistently can be challenging. Time constraints, discomfort with expressing emotion, or simply not seeing the value of appreciation are common obstacles. The book offers practical strategies to overcome them, like prioritizing appreciation, educating leadership, setting realistic goals, and modeling appreciation from the top down. Whether you're working in a corporate office, a factory, a nonprofit, or a family-run business, the book shares ideas for adapting appreciation to fit the workplace culture. It also explores how to show appreciation in remote teams, emphasizing the need to be intentional, use technology creatively, and ensure that remote employees feel as valued as those on site. It even discusses generational differences and how appreciation preferences may vary across age groups. Rather than relying on stereotypes, the the book encourages a thoughtful, individual-centered approach. For more complex scenarios, like managing large teams or volunteer groups, the book provides tips for scaling appreciation efforts, even when traditional rewards aren't available. It also explores the connection between personal love languages and workplace appreciation, and how to express genuine appreciation even when addressing performance issues. As the book concludes, it reinforces a powerful message. Appreciation has the potential to transform the workplace. By consistently offering genuine and personalized appreciation, organizations can build an environment grounded in respect, connection, and motivation. Appreciation should not be a one-time event. It should become a natural part of daily work life. Everyone, from executives to frontline workers, can contribute to building a culture where people feel seen, valued, and inspired. The takeaway is clear. No matter your role, you can make a difference. A simple thank you, a thoughtful gesture, or a kind word can go a long way in creating a workplace filled with trust, positivity, and shared success. If you enjoyed this summary, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue bringing you insightful book summaries and practical advice. Stay tuned for more content to help you grow personally and professionally. Thanks for watching.